Hi, this is Angelo Lopez. I am going to explain briefly the Corfu Channel case decided by the ICJ in 1949. In May 1946, two British cruisers passed through the northern part of the Corfu Channel. Albanian shore batteries fired upon them but did not hit either of the two. The United Kingdom warned that in the future they will fire back if Albania fires at them again. And in October 1946, the British Navy returned, and this time with a flotilla of four warships. The Albanian shore batteries did not fire at them, but two of the ships were struck and damaged by floating mines. The United Kingdom claims that Albania was responsible for the mines, and in November 1946, the United Kingdom launched Operation Retail to minesweep the Corfu Channel, despite Albania's clear protest. The United Nations Security Council convinced both parties to submit the dispute to the International Court of Justice. Upon appearance to the ICJ, the United Kingdom claims that Albania should be held responsible for the minefield. On the other hand, Albania claims that the UK violated Albanian sovereignty when it sent warships through the channel in October and November 1946. The United Kingdom countered that innocent passage through the states is a right recognized in international law. The first question here is that whether the United Kingdom violated Albania's sovereignty when it sent the ill-fated ships in October 1946. The ICJ ruled that it is generally recognized and in accordance with international custom that states in time of peace have a right to send their warships through straits used for international navigation between two parts of the high seas without the previous authorization of a coastal state, provided that the passage is innocent. Unless otherwise prescribed in an international convention, there is no right for a coastal state to prohibit such passage through straits in time of peace. The second question is whether the United Kingdom violated Albanian sovereignty when it conducted Operation Retail in November 1946. The UK submits that the region was nominated by Greece to the UN Security Council for minesweeping, and that the UK needed to secure evidences to prove who is responsible for the mines. The ICJ remarked that Albania was not consulted regarding the allocation to Greece of the sector in question, despite the fact that the channel passed through Albanian territorial waters. The ICJ further ruled that, between independent states, respect for sovereignty is an essential foundation of international relations. The court recognizes that the Albanian government that complete failure to carry out its duties after the explosions and the dilatory nature of its diplomatic notes are extenuating circumstances for the action of the United Kingdom government. But to ensure respect for international law, of which it is the organ, the court must declare that the actions of the British Navy constituted a violation of Albanian sovereignty, a violation of international law.